Hi guys, today we'll be taking a first look on the Sudgen or Stemfoort SF200 clone amplifier branded by Transaudio. So this one can be ordered from Ali. You can also get the PCBs separately, and you can also take a look at the schema because it's actually included in both offers that I've found for it. The schema is sourced from HiFi do-it-yourself.net, which is the largest Chinese do-it-yourself forum. Take a look at that, take a screenshot. Yep. And let's take a look at the amplifier. As usual, a very thick top plate, and this time we have a very large warranty sticker. In the front of the amplifier we have power switch and we have two status LED lights for left and right channel. Nothing interesting on the sides, nothing interesting on the top, and in the back we have information that this is Transaudio build SF200. We have power connector with integrated fuse compartment, we have one set of RCA inputs, and we have one set of speaker outputs. Interestingly, and take notice here, those are not mounted symmetrically, meaning that G and the signal, or negative, positive. So if you'll be connecting the speakers and you'll be doing this, especially standing in the front of the amplifier, you have to remember that you have to connect those in a proper way. Okay, so let's take a look inside. I'll rotate the amplifier later on, so you'll see the inside part. We can see that we have two amplifier boards for left and right channel. They are exactly the same. We have one common toroidal transformer here, and we have something that looks like a DC block connected to the power switch. So, the toroidal transformer, can I see any kind of information about the power? Give me a second. Yes, as usual, there's a sticker with specification and it says 350 watts. You'll see that once I rotate the amplifier. The toroidal transformer looks very nice, like with all of the clones, and the same goes for the wiring inside. It's very neatly designed and routed. Now, as for the power capacitors here and here, those are Rubicons. Each one of them is rated for 10,000 microfarads and 50 volts. We have sunken pairs, one pair per channel. As you can see, let's zoom in. Yep, all is described on the PCB, so you can see what kind of transistor pair this amplifier is actually using. We have nice Omron relay for controlling the output, and we also have nice cables, nice wires for the speaker output. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's try to zoom in. I've seen those wires a couple of times in other clones. They do have some Chinese branding on them. Let's move out. So nice handmade coil. And what else here? Yeah, a couple of German Wima capacitors. Those blue guys are Elna capacitors. And we have some operational amplifiers. We have OP07B here, and we have single 5534 operational amplifier here. If you take a look at the schema says there should be two pieces of 5534, and the description of some of the boards sold separately states that they are delivered with Philips 5534 operational amplifiers. But the thing is that you can easily replace those. By the way, the second board looks exactly the same. So OP07B here and the 5534 guy here. When I'll be doing my listing tests, I will try to replace those guys with single OPA 828. I think I have 4 of them available, so I'll be able to check what influence on the sound quality it creates. Because if you take a look at the schema, at least one of them is directly in the input audio signal path. I would risk stating that that's this guy. And I think, and I may be wrong here, please correct me if I'm wrong, I think the second one is used for some kind of feedback loop. But do correct me, you've seen the schema, let me know if I'm mistaken. So, in general, the build is very simple, and that's one of the traits of this amplifier, because it's supposed to have a very short and simple signal path that results in a very clean sound. I don't know that yet, because I'm still before my listening sessions, but I will link to the amplifier and to the boards alone, because the board's description also has information about setting the bias for those transistors. You do that with this pot, and I don't know if you can see that, but this one had already been set, and it's been protected with a layer of translucent paint. So the idea is that you can change the bias, and you can bias those boards into pure class A area. So the heatsinks. The heatsinks are not there. Basically, the bottom of the chassis works as a heatsink. As you can see, both pairs are screwed directly to the bottom of the amp. Now let's take a look here. Yeah, and you can see DC block, power input, speaker tabs, and RCA signal inputs here. All in all, a very nice looking, very clean and very simple amplifier. So I'll do the burn-in right now, and I will do the listening sessions. And now I'm zooming in for your convenience, so you may take a look at the detail of the boards and maybe see something that I have missed. If you see something like that, let me know in the comments. As I've told you, Rubicons, and here's the specification, the label for the amplifier. Yeah, 350 watts, and the boards are also nicely described, stating that each one of them uses twin AC 33 volts. Yep, so that's it. That's a very short first look video. I'll do the burn-in, and then I'll make my listening sessions, and then you're more than welcome to take a look at my full review video. So, thanks for watching, and have a great day, guys. Yeah, have a great day. See you next time.